Ecoway. Expect better. Welcome to the Ecoway customer service instructional video. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to locate and clean filters for your smart toilet. This video is compatible with the Ecoway Model Lux Pro. Step number 1. Go ahead and turn off the water supply by twisting the valve or the T-valve. Once the water supply is cut off, go ahead and flush the toilet using the flush button on the side of your smart toilet to empty the water in the pipes. Or you can press the flush button on your remote control to empty the water in the pipes. Step number 2. Disconnect your smart toilet from the power supply. Step number 3. Remove the toilet seat by pulling up the seat and lid together. Or you can reach around the back and pull it off. Step number 4. You need to disconnect all the pipes and wires. You may use a wrench to loosen the pipe connections. Step number 5. The first filter is located inside your T-valve. You may use a wrench and a set of pliers to remove the filter. Now go ahead and rinse the filter with water and use a brush to get rid of any debris that may have gotten stuck in it. After the filter is well cleaned, place it back inside the T-valve. The next filter is located under the seat, where the water supply inlet for the built-in tank is. Go ahead and grab the set of pliers to pull out the filter from the water supply. Repeat the same cleaning process for the filter. Place the filter back inside the water supply inlet. After both of the filters are back in place, follow the next procedure. To install a new toilet seat or reinstall your existing toilet seat, reconnect all the pipes and wires. Make sure all the wires are properly connected and are not bent or kinked. Finally, align the seat on top of the toilet base and push it down to lock them together. We hope this instructional video was helpful and you learned how to locate and clean the filters. If you still have any questions or concerns, please contact Ecoway support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.